at school, one of the most frequent and common questions I used to ask the teachers were, "Can I go to the toilet?" And at least about 98% of the time, the teacher would often reply with,
"Why didn't you go during break, you silly boy?"
Okay, maybe not those exact words, but why didn't I go during break? Well, during break, it's an absolute mayhem at the toilets. Everybody's going in there. They're all just crowded in. It's just jam-packed in there. Loads of people are just smoking in there. Ugh! The cigarettes and that cigarette butts. The stench, the odour. Not forgetting the smell of urine. And people's bottom perfume, to put it nicely. And God knows the noises you would hear behind those toilet doors. But even going after break is still a unpleasant experience. Not only you can smell everyone's odour still there, but the toilets were an absolute dump. It was just a horrific sight to behold. There would be stuff on the toilet floor, and on the walls, some of the most perverted imagery I'd ever saw. Well, until I discovered the internet.